The life of John, a lighting fixture engineer, isn't easy. It's tough work for him to keep his company's products sellable. It's rather frustrating that during the product development cycle, continuously better LED chips arrive on stage. So before John's new fixture is ready, it already needs an update. Therefore, it is quite risky for his company to invest in time-consuming, expensive molds and volumes of molded parts. Obsolescence is causing a huge waste, straining both environment as well as balance sheets. And John's boss is not happy about that. In many cases, John is forced to use standard parts and lenses, and so are his competitors. The result is that many fixtures look the same, and there are no attractive options to customize the lighting for a project or application. Luckily for John, now, in the 21st century, according to The Economist, the third industrial revolution has started. In the meantime, we have all heard about 3D printing, right? Well, John did. Basically, you have a material. It goes into a printer. This printer heats and melts your material and deposits it in layers. This way it can build whatever you tell it to build, on demand. So basically, now John's computer can create cheap and flexible inventory. Pretty cool, huh? There are a lot of different 3D printers. Some can print plastic, others can print metals, or even ceramics. But none of them can do what Luxexcel can do. And this is where it gets interesting for John. Luxexcel offers 3D printed optics. They developed a unique digital printing process using transparent optical material to make lenses and optical components, like LED lenses, a magnifying glass, or even a pair of real functioning glasses. Luxexcel's 3D printer lets droplets flow into each other before they are cured with UV light, creating a 100% smooth and transparent product. And there is no need to post-process the printed lenses by polishing, coloring, or grinding them. So what are these optics used for? Well, they can be found in a lot of products. The most common ones would be your average lamp, which has an optical component to direct the light. There are optics in your flashlight, in your reading light, in the train, in street lights, refrigerators, and even in the buttons on your coffee machine. John is happy because now all of his lenses can be made digitally and super fast, without the need for him to buy minimal order volumes of thousands of components. With 3D printed optics, there are no minimal order quantities. If John only needs 50 pieces, he can simply order 50 pieces. This is saving him a lot of money and time. Now John's process to develop and test a lens becomes easy. All he needs is a CAD file of the design. This file is directly loaded into the printer. If he wants to change something, he can simply change his design and have it printed again. No expensive investment in molds or other tools are needed, again saving John's company money. 3D printed optics now allow John to realize his development easier, faster, and better. He can now even help customers with custom products by designing fixtures with easily interchangeable lenses, so that for every project, John can provide a perfect light distribution with ease. Don't waste your time, money, and our environment. Have your optics 3D printed by Luxexcel today.